To date, there are thousands of cryptocurrencies, and more are being created every day. Each of these initiatives may be unique in terms of its workings and the aim it pursues, but many of them struggle to raise the general public's awareness on a wide scale. The crypto airdrop comes into play here. So let's start with what is cryptocurrency airdrop. A cryptocurrency airdrop is when a project distributes new tokens or coins to a large group of people in the crypto community. The teams behind these projects frequently use airdrops to promote their initiatives and persuade people to join an ecosystem. These airdropped assets are distributed without charge, but for some airdrops, users must first fulfill certain requirements in order to receive their tokens. Okay, but how does crypto airdrops work? In most cases, when a project announces an airdrop, it also specifies any requirements that participants must satisfy. These prerequisites may include subscribing to a newsletter, joining a particular Telegram group, following the project on social media, or keeping a certain amount of a coin in your wallet. Additionally, we have a different distribution type called retroactive airdrop, in which only wallets that have interacted with the project's platform prior to a specific date are eligible for the airdrops. These requirements aren't always made public in advance. Some well-known airdrops have shocked the platform's active users by distributing tokens before disclosing the airdrop's eligibility requirements. But why do crypto projects deploy airdrops? In an effort to increase awareness within the cryptocurrency community, crypto projects frequently use airdrops as a component of their token launch strategy. By ensuring that the initial supply is distributed across a large number of wallets, rather than concentrated in the hands of a small number of early investors, airdrops can also be used to fairly distribute tokens to potential users. More balanced and decentralized ecosystem may benefit from this distribution model. So, that's the end of the video around everything about cryptocurrency airdrops. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.